Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off pop-up on iPhone. So if you want to turn off pop-up on your iPhone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your settings, then scroll down to the app section, then under the app section try and tap on the Safari. Once tap on Safari, then scroll a little bit down, then under the is it here? Yeah, this is it. I'm trying to figure it out. So under general, once you tap on Safari, then scroll down a little, then under general, then you can find the pop-up option. So you just simply turn it off. So the what pop-up actually means is that maybe whenever you are browsing on internet, there's this new page that pop up on your tab, or there's another new page, new tab that pop up for download, and you don't want that to happen. Just come down here and turn it off. Then once you turn it off, you can just simply go back to your Safari, then make sure you refresh your tab. Then these settings will be effective as soon as possible. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.